morning, Patriots. Hello, a fun day today. It's our graham cracker lab. Today we will be modeling plate tectonics using graham crackers and frosting, and guess what? At the end you get to eat it. So yummy, a fun day. Today, the first thing I need you to do is go right here and grab your graham cracker lab worksheet. It looks like this. So, a little background. The theory of plate tectonics states that the crust of the Earth is composed of 7 major plates and numerous small plates. These plates ride on the hot plastic upper mantle known as the asthenosphere. The theory says that most of these plates are in motion due to convection in the mantle, creating a variety of interactions at the plates. All plate boundaries, at the plate boundaries, plates may converge, convergent boundaries, diverge, come together, divergent boundary, or transform boundaries where they slip back and forth past each other in a horizontal motion. Also, some plates just might not be moving. So it tells you what you need. You need 2 whole graham crackers, an index card. If you don't have an index card, just grab fold the paper up in half, a little, you don't need a cup of water, just a little thing of water, a cup of frosting, a wax paper or a paper plate or a knife. So the very first thing you are going to do is the divergent plate boundaries, oceanic to oceanic. Then convergent plate boundaries, oceanic to continental. Remember, there's going to be a density difference here, so one of these is going to sink. Convergent boundaries, 2 continentals coming together, same density. What's going to happen? They're going to converge. The last one is your transform boundaries, where you place the graham crackers side to side. There is a video, so if you are not doing this and following along, there is a video modeling each one of these. So you may have to stop the video and fill in your worksheet after every time that you can see it on the video. So once a part of it is modeled, stop the video, answer the questions, and then go on and watch the next one. So that is Graham Cracker Lab. So get your supplies ready and get going, and happy eating at the end. If you don't have it, watch the modeling in the video below. Have a great time. Goodbye.